Okay, this video is for my best friend Gucci. Man, son, like, oh my god. We have so much to talk about. Like, you don't even understand. I've been going through so much in the past few days. And, like, I haven't been talking to you. And, like, oh my god, man. Like, we have got to talk. We have so much to catch up on. And, like, yeah. But yeah, Gucci, I miss you, son. I was gonna put this on Facebook, but like, it's being gay. So the next thing I could use was like YouTube. But yeah, son. I've been talking to like these two people like this whole time, but they have totally different opinions on what I should do. So I need your help, buddy. You, yes. And sorry I missed your call today. I was like away from my phone, and then I looked at it, and it said missed call, and it said Gucci, and I was like, and then someone called me, so I didn't really get a chance to call back. But yeah, holla at me on Facebook, homie. I miss you, like really. And then like, yeah, I also need to talk to you about one of your friends. So yeah, but other than that, there's nothing really up. So, you know, holla at me. Love you.